While there are probably some of you out there that have green fingers in the garden, the rest of us could usually do with a little extra help. These 10 amazing garden gadgets you need will level the playing field between the horticulturally talented among us and the average Joe. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to check out our number 1 pick. Number 10. Fida Beam. First up on our list is a gadget for anyone who's ever struggled to keep track of just how much care their plants need. The Fida Beam is a smart sensor that dynamically monitors exactly what your plants need. Every plant has needs, and it's not always the easiest to tell what they are. The Fida Beam can actually identify your plant's unique needs using the built-in Fida plant library in the free smartphone app. Receive personalized notifications from the Fida Beam whenever your plant needs attention. This means that you'll never forget to water them ever again. Fida knows just how important it is to maintain the aesthetic sense of your home. That's why the Fida Beam has a sleek and modern design that accentuates your greenery, instead of being an ugly sensor that you have to hide. When you buy a plant, you're committing to keeping it for the long haul, which means your gadgets should last too. Fida Beam has been constructed using premium materials that should stand up to the test of time. Number 9. Holman Oscillating Sprinkler. Every homeowner knows just how important it is to maintain a beautiful lawn with well-kept and fresh green grass. But it isn't always easy to keep up with the maintenance on that. The Holman Oscillating Sprinkler is one of the simplest ways to keep your lawn from going thirsty and ensure that it stays vibrant and green. The Holman Oscillating Sprinkler connects up to your outdoor tap using a standard hose pipe fitting. That means that everyone can take advantage of this time-saving gadget. Unlike other conventional sprinklers, the Holman Oscillating Sprinkler is fully adjustable, allowing you to set the spray pattern and angle of coverage. You might be worried about covering all the space you have available, but that's not an issue with this sprinkler. In fact, the Holman Oscillating Sprinkler can cover areas up to 300 square meters in size all by itself. Not too shabby for a little unit like this. Number 8. AllStop Folding Yard Cart. Moving materials around your garden can be a struggle for even the most well-built of us. But the AllStop Folding Yard Cart is trying to change that and make your life a little bit easier with its ingenious new design. Maneuverability is often a problem while moving heavy loads around the garden. That's why the AllStop Folding Yard Cart makes use of an innovative single front wheel design. This design allows you to easily navigate through obstacle-filled gardens with a surprising level of agility. Specially designed pneumatic tires prevent rough terrain from causing you problems. While traditional barrows and carts require you to shovel heavy materials into them, the AllStop Folding Yard Cart's unique design allows you to load the cart at ground level. This means that you can get the job done faster and with considerably less effort. The AllStop Folding Yard Cart comes in 2 different sizes to fit your personal gardening needs. There's a smaller model which can carry a payload of up to 150 pounds, and a larger model which can carry a payload of up to 350 pounds. Number 7. Ego Power Plus 580 CFM Blower. If you've got a lot of leaves sitting on your driveway and you're sick of constantly raking them up, our next gadget might just be for you. The Ego Power Plus 580 CFM blower claims to be the most advanced cordless blower in the industry. A bold claim for sure. The Ego Power Plus 580 CFM blower has been designed to work with you regardless of what your needs are. There's a variable speed control that allows you to get precisely the amount of power you need. Need a bit more push than conventional blowers can deliver? The Ego Power Plus 580 CFM blower features a turbo boost mode that blows away the competition. The interior turbine fan is capable of hitting speeds of up to 168 miles per hour. That's pretty impressive if you ask us. It's important that your tools last and that your financial investment is a solid one. That's why the Ego Power Plus 580 CFM blower has been designed to be fully ruggedized and resistant against harsh weather conditions. Number 6. Mimo Robotic Blower. You might have a sprinkler system in place to take care of watering your lawn, but you still have to cut it yourself unless you're willing to pay for expensive landscaping services. Honda is looking to shake up this status quo by introducing their new Mimo robotic mower. A robotic lawnmower isn't much good if you have to constantly babysit it. That's why the Mimo robotic mower is totally autonomous. Simply let the Mimo know where you want it to mow the grass and how often, and it'll take care of everything for you. It even recharges its own battery using the included charging station. The Mimo robotic mower takes advantage of Honda's years of experience in the robotic space to provide you with a product that you can rely on to get the job done. While thieves might want a piece of this pie, the Mimo isn't going down without a fight, and it features a security alarm that alerts you to theft and even locks down until you enter a custom passcode. Number 5. Paper Pot Transplanter. Planting seedlings at home is a fun and relaxing activity to wind down during the weekend. But what if you need to get this job done on a much larger scale? The Paper Pot Transplanter aims to save you hours of backbreaking work with its automated approach to planting seedlings. This uniquely designed planting machine takes hours of work and gets it done in minutes. The built-in plow cuts a furrow into the soil automatically, which allows the machine to place the seedlings into the ground. Specially designed rear wheels then close this furrow around the plants, ensuring that they stay securely rooted in place. You can plant everything from lettuce, onions, peas, turnips, beans, herbs, and more with the Paper Pot Transplanter. Unlike traditional farm equipment that is often heavy and bulky, the Paper Pot Transplanter has been designed to be comfortable and easy to use. It weighs just 35 pounds. Number 4. AeroGarden Bounty. If you live in an apartment building or just don't have a lot of space for gardening, this next gadget may be right up your street. The AeroGarden Bounty is a fully self-contained hydroponic gardening system designed to be used almost anywhere. You can grow up to 9 plants in the AeroGarden Bounty, with up to 24 inches of headroom for your greens to blossom. There's no soil in the AeroGarden Bounty. Instead, it uses advanced hydroponics technology to grow your plants using only water. Thanks to this innovative method of growing, you can expect to see our plants grow 5 times as fast as traditional planting methods. You don't even need sunlight with the AeroGarden Bounty. This cleverly designed machine features a built-in LED growing light, which provides 40 watts of full-spectrum UV light. Whether you're stuck in a small and dark apartment, or you just want to keep your plants healthy while you go on vacation, the AeroGarden Bounty is the perfect all-in-one plant care system. Number 3. HoseLock Cloud Controller. Most of us have a few smart home items inside of our houses now, allowing us to control our everyday items with our smartphones and tablets. The HoseLock Cloud Controller brings this powerful technology to your garden and allows you to control your watering system from anywhere in the world. The HoseLock Cloud Controller connects to any standard tap and controls the flow of water electronically. You can pair up to 4 HoseLock Cloud Controllers to one hub for even more flexibility in your garden care. You can easily adjust your watering schedule, frequency, and duration using the free app on your smartphone or tablet. You can even receive notifications about what the weather will be doing so that you can adjust the watering schedule to match the conditions. The HoseLock Cloud Controller is ideal for busy people who spend a lot of time away from home or for when you go away on vacation. Bring your garden into the future and enjoy healthy, happy plants with the HoseLock Cloud Controller. Number 2. Ego Power Plus Self-Propelled Mower. Fed up of pushing around your heavy old lawnmower? Don't want to pay the ridiculous prices a landscaper wants just to mow the lawn? The Ego Power Plus self-propelled mower is the answer to all of your lawn-related woes. This specially designed mower features Ego's unique patented touch drive technology, which allows you to engage the built-in electric motor in the mower and take the strain off of pushing it. Speed is totally adjustable using a built-in scroll dial, meaning that you can fine-tune the level of power you want for every situation. Adjustable height allows the Ego Power Plus self-propelled mower to dynamically adapt to all kinds of terrain. The Select Cut multi-blade cutting system makes cutting your grass a total breeze and produces much cleaner results than traditional single-blade systems. Runtime is important on a mower like this, and that's why the Ego Power Plus self-propelled mower features a 7.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, which delivers 60 minutes of high-powered mowing performance. Number 1. Fiskars Weed Puller. Got a garden full of weeds? Fed up of wrecking your knees to pull them out? The final garden gadget on our list has got your back. The Fiskars Weed Puller is a uniquely designed weed removal tool that takes the hard work out of removing stubborn invaders from your garden. While it's easy to cut the heads off of unwanted weeds, they soon grow back. Using an innovative grabbing claw system, the Fiskars Weed Puller pulls weeds out right down to the roots, ensuring that they never come back. A long handle means that you never have to get down on your knees to pull out another weed ever again. And the super strong foot platform provides enhanced stability while working. When you've yanked the troublesome weed out of the ground, you can easily release it using the specially designed quick eject system. Easy to use and easy to maintain, the Fiskars Weed Puller is an essential tool in the arsenal of every home or professional gardener. And that's 10 amazing garden gadgets you need. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.